step into the Dodge 2007 Ram 1500 Laramie. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include traction control, stability control, rear-wheel drive, tires, front all-season, tires, rear all-season, conventional spare tire, chrome wheels, power steering and ABS. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.